Hello my guys and welcome to another episode. In this episode I have this, I believe it's 2012 journey. I'm gonna check it, see what's going on with it because it has a check engine light, and then we're gonna start working on it. So let's get to it. This is the new scanner that I have. It's from ANCEL FT500. I'm gonna check everything with it, see what's going on, and this scanner can do service reset, throttle adaptation, EPB reset, and many other things. Let's put it to a test. Let's see what's going on with this journey. And I'm doing this video at night. Check out my new lighting. I have 12 new lights, so I can do videos during the night, which is awesome. I used to have that one only. It was right there, and lighting wasn't good. With this scanner from ANCEL, the FT500, you can do a lot of things. You can reset codes, read data, you can reset the PCM, TCM, CAM, and you have all the functions with this little scanner. Today, I'm just gonna check and reset the codes on this journey. We're gonna use the basics on it. But if you need a scanner, this is a good option, and it's really affordable. Plug it in first. Scanner is on. Turn the car on the AC position. Okay, now we can check the codes. Now you have the scanner in here, arrows, scan. Okay, really easy to use. You can check the battery, oil reset, and this is especially for Ford, but let's see if it works on this Dodge. Let's go to the codes because it does have a check engine light. We press OK. Read codes, OK. Yep, P0420 catalytic converter. It's only one code. Catalytic system efficiency below threshold. Bank 1, bank 1, bank 1. Looks like the P0420 is a catalytic converter. So let me talk to the owner and see what we can do. First, let's erase the code, see if they come back. Erase code. Turn the ignition on. Yeah, it's on. Okay, it says that it's been reset. Same P0420, and now it's only one code. Definitely is a catalytic converter. In this journey, to remove the catalytic converter, you have to remove the cover. It's only one bolt in here. Remove it and pull the cover, and you'll see the catalytic converter right there. It's only 4 bolts and the 2 oxygen sensors, and disconnect them. There is one little clamp around right here. Remove that clamp so you can remove the catalytic converter. Okay guys, if you can see, I'm down here and there is 3 bolts you can see from the catalytic converter and one on top. You can do all of them from here, from the bottom, and unplug the oxygen sensors. I'll remove both, unplug them. That's one right there, and the other one is over there, the connector. So everything is unplugged, and this is the last one. I have no issues with these bolts. They came out really easy. Now, right there is another bolt that I had to remove for that little clamp, so I can slide this catalytic converter out. See if that one is not gonna give me any problems, and I can remove this catalytic converter. Super easy. That bolt is 15 millimeter. If the little one doesn't want to do it, the big boy will. I already break it loose. I just gotta remove that clamp. I already removed that clamp, but it's gonna be really hard to slide that piece of the pipe out of it, so I guess I'm gonna drop the whole system. And that one, this hanger, wasn't even connected, so probably somebody was here before. I just gotta remove the ones from the back, drop the whole system so I can slide the whole thing out. On the back there is 3 hangers, one in here, one in here, and one on the back. You can see them right here, these 2 and that one over there. So now is everything out. I just did it with pliers. I was pushing on the rubber, pull them out. Now everything is free. I just gotta slide the exhaust from the catalytic converter, slide it out so I can put the new part. And there you have it. It's much easier. Now I'm gonna try just to remove it from there, and the whole exhaust is really heavy. This is the new part. I just gotta transfer the oxygen sensors right here and put everything back on it. This one, it has a new clamp, but I think I'm gonna use that one. It feels more solid. New gasket for that part, new bolts. I have the sockets to remove the oxygen sensors, but I'm gonna use a 22mm. I don't like those sockets. See if this can remove them. That one is really stuck. Let me try the other one. Yeah, this one looks like they changed it before. This one, not. Still, I'm gonna remove it. That'll do it. Okay guys, everything is in place. I put some lubricant on them and on the hangers, and everything went on really easy. So on the back everything is done. Right here on the middle, that's tight, and I put that one back on it. The hanger is not good. Here on the bottom everything is tight and in place. Everything is back in place. Let's turn it on, scan it, and see what we get. Check engine light is out. Let's check, see if everything is good. Read code P0420. Let's erase it. Everything is clear. I heard a little rattle, so I need to check the bolts. And it sounds a little bit louder. Maybe that gasket is not really good, but I'm gonna check that in a minute. But the good thing is that check engine light is out. It seems like everything looks good on it. Yeah, I need to drive this car for a little bit and see what's going on. Definitely sounds a little louder. I need to check those bolts. It was having a massive leak, so I had to remove this bracket, and I put the one that it comes with the kit. Much better. Now it's quiet. Yep, sounds a lot better now. It was super loud and it rattles at the beginning. Not anymore. It needs that because the old bracket, it didn't get tight enough. It doesn't matter how much you get it tight, it was not gonna work. So I had to break it, put a new one. It still sounds a little bit, I might go a little bit tight on the new bracket. And there you have it guys, journey is done. Check engine light is still off, but tomorrow I'm gonna do some driving to see if everything is complete. Now I'm gonna leave the link in the description for this scanner. If you wanna get it, really affordable. You can do everything, reset everything on your vehicle, and all the functions you're gonna see them on the manual and right here on the back. You can go to the settings and change the language, change the unit. You can do it all with this scanner from ANCEL.